Hello, welcome to the next video, implementing Adaboost. In the last video we used random forests for face recognition. When the trees in the forest are of depth 1, also known as decision stumps, and we perform boosting instead of bagging, the resulting algorithm is called Adaboost. Adaboost adjusts the dataset at each iteration by selecting a decision stump, increasing the weighting of cases that the decision stump labelled incorrectly while reducing the weighting of correctly labelled cases. This iterative weight adjustment causes each new classifier in the ensemble to prioritise training the incorrectly labelled cases. As a result, the model adjusts by targeting heavy-weighted data points. Eventually the stumps are combined to form a final classifier. Although OpenCV provides a very efficient implementation of Adaboost, it's hidden under the HAR cascade classifier. HAR cascade classifiers are a very popular tool for face detection, which we can illustrate through the example of the Lena image. We begin by importing the Lena image and load it in both color and grayscale. After loading the image, we load a pre-trained HAR cascade. The classifier will then detect faces present in the image using this function call. Note that the algorithm operates only on grayscale images. That's why we saved two pictures of Lena, one to which we applied classifier img_gray, and one on which we draw the resulting bounding box, image_bgr. Then we plot the image. This is the result, and here the location of the face is indicated by a blue bounding box. Obviously, this picture contains only a single face. However, the code will work even on images where multiple faces could be detected. Try it out. In Scikit-Learn, Adaboost is just another ensemble estimator. We can create an ensemble from 100 decision stumps with this line of code. We then load the breast cancer set once more and split it 75-25. Then fit and score Adaboost using the familiar procedure. The result is remarkable with 97.9% accuracy. We might want to compare this result to a random forest. However, to be fair, we should make the trees in the forest all decision stumps. Then we'll know the difference between bagging and boosting. This is the code to do it. We achieve accuracy of 93.7%. If we let the trees be as deep as needed, that is, we do not specify the max depth value, we get a better score. As a last step in this section, let's look how to combine different types of models into a voting classifier.